Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Cohen and welcome to my body shop. All right, we're a local shop in Uniondale, New York, 651 Pine Street, Uniondale, New York, 11553. www.cohensauto.com. That's the website. And yeah, today I want to take the time out to show you a little bit about our facility and exactly what you're going to get when you come work with us, right? We just don't fix your cars. We try to go above and beyond and help you throughout the accident repair process, help you navigate that whole situation. So here is just one aspect of how we provide help to the community. Okay, so today is a typical day in the shop. We have about, I believe, 14 customers on the roster right now and about 4 scheduled for next week. So about roughly like 18 people in the shop, 18 cars that we need to kind of stay on top of. We have parts and everything. But we're not too much of a big shop. We're a small shop, and we don't need all the fancy things to get things done. So one thing I'll show you, these things in the ground are what we use to help pull the frame, right? And then we have the frame machine, we have a lift, right? But it's compact, so we were able to find a lift that fits right in our area, but we only use it when we actually need to use it. So, you know, if you have major mechanical work, we have some other people. Let me bring you back here real quick. Right here, we're working on a Lexus RX 350 for one of my customers. Older gentleman, he's real amazing. My team is here working on it right now, but let me take you guys into the booth. All right, so right here, this is where we get all the magic done. Be careful, try not to touch anything because it's wet still. So this is what we do. It's still a little wet. The paint is extremely wet. It was just freshly painted. So you gotta be real careful when you come in here. And a lot of times the dust will kick up and land in it, so you gotta be real careful. In here is like a environment where all the air sucks up, and that's how we're able to give you guys quality paint jobs, right? That keeps the dust out. Looks dusty, but that's because of all the dust passing through, right? And then we clean it every 2 weeks. Come on out. All right, take you a little bit about our facility. So here we have the paint room, right? This is the paint booth, this is the paint room. So the importance about the paint room is that we actually get the color better than the manufacturer, right? So because you order it and there's variations to your paint code and color. So if we have your car and we have the mixing machines, we can mix it and get it right and test it right next to your car, versus if you order it from the manufacturer and it comes and it's the wrong variation of the code, then you got to reorder it and wait again. So, you know, that's just a little nuance of how, you know, a good body shop guy will help save you time in your repair process. Because if he knows that and he has a, you know, a mixing room in-house, then he doesn't have to order your paint. That cuts down the time that we're, you know, waiting and that you have to wait for your car. You know, it reduces the turnaround time. Okay, so back here, it's a little messy. It's not usually like this, but come on in, right? So we have a bunch of cars that we painted. Okay, we kind of just rest them here. We don't mix here. We mix in the designated mixing area, but these things are here because just to show you that, you know, this is, you know, we're busy. There's a lot of paint that we're constantly mixing and making sure we match and get it right. So this is our yard where we keep cars. We have another location, but where we hold cars if we need to. But here is where your car will come and stay if it's going to be worked on, right? So right now, this is a little project with me and my dad. It's an old school Volkswagen Bug. And yeah, the engines used to be, I think this is the trunk and the engine's in the back, right? But we need to, there's a lot going on. We need to redo, put a new engine in there, but we got the body, and one day I'm gonna restore it. But I'm just saying that we provide restorations, we do insurance jobs, we do out of pocket, anything like claims, just, you know, you want to customize your car, you want to refurbish your rims, you want to paint your calipers, you know, want to put some muffler tips on there, we'll work with you, right? We'll come with us, we'll talk to you, we'll put together a package, we'll work with you. Family-owned business, right? The whole building is owned by, it was a father and son situation, and unfortunately during COVID, the father passed away. So now the sons are running it, but it's a father and son all the way through. So father and son, father and son, father and son, black businesses, you know, and we're giving back to our community. I grew up here, so I'm giving back directly to my community, but you know, these guys still, they're not from exactly growing up here, but they still providing a lot of value and a lot of help.